Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're getting the last field of corn here opened up. It borders right along our one bean field right there. So the cart's heading on down there. He'll pick me up down here at the end. And technically, we've actually already started this field. If you saw my last video, we were actually over there on the west side. Like I said in that video, there's a property line, and so that corn over there has got to be kept separate from this. But we plant and harvest it all as one field. And so now we're over here on the east side of the property line, back this way. That way's west. And so getting the inrows here taken off, and then we'll be ready to start rolling. All right, the inrows are done. Well, take that back. Down here on the south end, we have a waterway that comes from the ditch that runs along the highway, and the waterway comes out to the north and it kind of angles out northwest and finally turns and actually goes straight west out across the field. Where the waterway goes into the ditch, there's a little chunk of the inrow beyond that left, and we'll actually get that once we actually get over to the waterway. But other than that, though, the whole north end's all done, and most of the south end is gone also. So we're making headway. Of course, we don't have to take the corn very far, just right up there to the bin. Of course, you can see the new shed that we've been working on. I see the tandem sitting up there, so Dad just got it dumped. He'll be heading back out with it here in a little bit. But we're rolling through the field, running right at, almost right at 4 miles an hour. So we're covering the ground. Well, we were going good. Sure enough, had a bearing go out here on the grain cart, so my brother's gonna run the combine and at least dump on the end, and we're going to take that grain cart up the house and take it apart. It's got that floor bearing. It's the front floor bearing on that Kilbro grain cart. So get that tore apart and see if we can get a new bearing popped into it. Alright guys, well, we got the cart fixed, put a new bearing into it. Wasn't able to get any video of that because trying to get stuff around just didn't have time. So he's heading back out the field, and my brother's actually running the combine right now, and my dad and I will probably get to work, keep hauling corn in. So I'll bring you along. Okay, we're back out here at the field. Remember I told you earlier we had these inrows over here at this waterway? Well, he just went through it, working on those inrows over there. The cart's running good, and so he's going to dump in the semi and get it finished up and topped off, and it'll be ready to go. I'm going to grab the old drone out and grab a little more footage. Well, he'll soon be done here at the end. Now, as you saw on the drone videos, you saw that he was only taking 4 rows, and for right down through here, it's kind of hacked up. Like I say, you're running a 12-row planter, 8-row head. In fact, you can see an example right there of the off row, right? It's real wide right here. So he went through, picked out 8 and 8, then went back through and got the last 4 and coming back on the last 4. So that works. He's finishing up the last 4 rows, and that's got this end row done. It's the next day. We've been out here rolling, and I don't know how well you can see, but right over there, we're coming down on it. So we're on the home stretch. And that's the beeper alarm. My hopper's getting up full. Get the auger put out here. So we're going to try and finish her up. And I'll be adding some drone video of taking down the last 8 rows for 2024. Cart just picked me up. I'm unloading now. here we go, the last 8 rows for 2024. I'm getting drone video. Dad's down at the end of the field. He's got his tablet, so he's going to be getting video off of that as well. Corn 2024 is done. Well guys, that's a wrap for Corn Harvest 2024. So, getting things wrapped up here, ready to take back up the shed. So I'm going to call this and end the video. So take care. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.